Hey, welcome to my channel. My name's Theresa. If you guys don't know who I am, welcome. So today I got a really cool video. I was at my local drugstore, Shoppers Drug Mart, and I came across this bad boy, and it totally reminded me of the Silly Sponge, that silicone sponge you use to apply your foundation. And so yeah, this one is by the makeup brand Quo. That's the Shoppers Drug Mart brand. And it doesn't say Silisponge, it says silicone makeup applicator. And it's a little bit different shape. So yeah, I thought I'd give this a go. I've never ever tried one of these silicone sponges, so this should be very interesting. So yeah, stay tuned to the end of the video to see what my final thoughts are on this product. I'm gonna do a little review and demo for you guys. That's why I have no foundation on my face right now. Smash that like button, give me a big thumbs up, it really helps me out. And subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 new videos a week, and click that little bell notification down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So if you guys want to see me review and demo this silicone sponge, then please keep watching. It looks a little bit different from the Silisponge, but I'll read it to you guys what it says. This was $10.99 and it was on sale. It was on like the sale rack for $4.99. This is supposed to maybe take place of like a beauty blender. I kind of thought think it's a gimmick. It sounds a bit gimmicky. It really looks like a veal cutlet, or looks like a gel shoe insert. So this is what it claims to. So it says, use this Quo silicone makeup applicator to apply your favorite foundation, cream, or serum. Due to the non-absorbent silicone material, this applicator allows you to use less of your favorite products while obtaining excellent coverage. Well, that's nice. Once makeup has been applied to your face, use the Quo blending sponge to blend it into perfection. The Quo silicone makeup applicator is reusable, hygienic, easy to clean, and lasts longer than your standard sponge. After use, simply wipe makeup off applicator with a tissue, and voila, clean and ready to use next time. So yeah, pretty much what they're trying to say is that this obviously won't absorb any of your product, any of your foundation. It'll pretty much, what you put on your face, it'll stay there. But I definitely don't think this would take place in my beauty blender, but we're gonna try it today. So like I said, I washed my face, and comment down below and let me know if anybody else has tested any like this brand or any other silly sponges and what they thought of it. I really want to hear your guys' thoughts, because I know there's a couple brands that are making them, like Molly Cosmetic came out with the silly sponge. There's a couple brands coming out with them now. So wow, they make it so hard to get into the thing. So yeah, it's definitely different shape. Oh my god, you know what it feels like? It feels, wow, can you see that? I wonder what side you're supposed to put it on. It feels so weird. Oh my god. It feels like there's like gooey stuff inside. It's not hard, like it's actually insoles for your high heels, those pads, that's what it looks like. But anyway, so, and I'm gonna use it with my Dior Forever. I love this foundation, so I know if my foundation doesn't look right, it's not this, it would be the silicone sponge. So it says you can use it to apply cream, so I'm going to put a little bit of a face lotion on it. Like, how do you know what side to use? It feels really weird. Okay, and then I'm going to put a bit of my Magic Lumi. Looks like that. It just feels so weird. Definitely does not waste any product. Wow. It's not really blending it in, it's just kind of smearing it everywhere. Okay, Okay, do you guys see that? Like it's not blending it in. That's weird. I'm just gonna rub it in with my hand. It wasn't blending it in, that was so weird. Okay, so I'm just going to take a bit of my Dio Forever foundation, put it on the back of my hand, 3 pumps like that, and then I'm just gonna take the sponge and okay. It's so small too because I have such long nails, so like it's hard to like hold, if you know what I mean. I don't know if you guys can see that, but wow. Look at this. Okay, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to blend that out with a beauty blender, because that's not, as you can see, that's, it's not blending my makeup out, it's just smearing it around. Concealer, maybe that'll work better. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Flawless by Marcel. Okay, I hope we have better luck with this guy. Okay. Wow. Okay, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but look at my skin. I'm gonna bring you guys closer. Can you guys see that? Like, all right here. See how it's kind of, it's just, well, I'm just gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I will come back and I'll share my final thoughts with you guys and let you know what I thought about this product, okay? Okay, so this thing is complete shit. Okay, so my final thoughts on this. When I was using this, you can see the little creases in it. It has that feeling, gel feeling. But for one thing, because I have really long nails, I was having a hard time putting it on my face because it's so small. And then like every time I put the product on, it didn't steal any of my product for sure. It did not steal it, but it didn't, my skin didn't absorb it. All it did was just mush it around all over my, wipe it around all over my face. Like no matter how much I kept on wiping and like dabbing, it just sat on my skin and it didn't blend in. It just was a hot mess. It made my pores look huge. Like I had to literally go in with my hands and blend it in because this thing just, it just moves it, moves the product around on your face. It really doesn't do anything. So this was a complete fail for me. This was horrible. It might work for some people. Maybe I'm just not using it right, or maybe it's just this brand, or I'm not sure. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys tried these sponges and what you guys thought of them. And yeah, so that is my review for today. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'm going to be testing a couple more brands in the next few weeks too, to see if maybe they're a hit or miss. So stay tuned for those videos too, okay guys? I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And subscribe to my channel. And click that little bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!